Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you that how you can create a slope roof plane from a floor plan inside AutoCAD. So let's get started. First of all, we have to create an outline from the floor plan on which we have to create the roof. So once the outline is completed, we will copy this and we will match it with this red one. So this will be our outline for the walls. Now we have to provide an overhang of 1 feet 6 inches. So let's give an offset of 1 feet and 6 inches. This will be our roof border. So for the roof plane we have to give a certain offset. For example, let's say 2 feet. We will give this offset multiple times like this, and then let's say we have to match it with this colors so we can differentiate between boundaries in the roof boundary. After that we have to create a line by joining these edges. So let's quickly create that. Now we can fix a middle point of this, or we can also fillet this by pressing F enter. And if we enter F, we have to make sure that our R value is 0. So let me show you that quickly. F enter, R enter, and we have to press 0 0, so the trim will be perfect. Now we have to fillet this one and then extend this to this line. We have to fillet this as well and this as well. Now we have to join by a line. So now our roof line is completed. We have to copy this to the side. I will hide the boundary so that we can hatch quickly. For this I will pick this edge, and now as you can see the scale is very high, so we will reduce that. For the hedge I am going to choose a slightly gray color, and for the line weight we have to make sure it is nearly 0 so that we can differentiate it. Now as you can see this roof edge is at 90 degrees, so we will change this angle. We have to create this hatches separately so we can change the angles later on by pressing the space, so we can initiate the command again. Now we will quickly match and change the angle. For this the angle is correct, but for this the angle should be 0. Now we have to match this with this as well as this. So now our roof plane is complete. We have to unhide the boundary of the uh, walls. So this is our roof plane. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe. So in the next tutorial I will be making a complete tutorial on how you can create this model inside Revit architecture.